What's up, Millions of Squad? It's your boy Fear Boy 86 coming back with a brand new video for y'all. So in today's video, we are going to be continuing our series of complete restoration part 3, which is going to end up doing with the Chevrolet CORVAIR engine. If you're not following me on YouTube, Snapchat, or TikTok, please do so at Fierro_86. Also, please follow me on my brand new Instagram page at 214 Fierro guy. And if you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, because I'm not just going up, y'all going up with me. Also, please triple smash that like button for your boy, because you already know what it is. All right, y'all. So today's video, we're gonna basically be talking about the bigger engine from the Chevrolet CORVAIR, which is gonna end up being your turbo. As you can tell, you actually got two types of turbos. You have an earlier model turbo, which is at the top of the thumbnail, and at the bottom of the thumbnail, you have a late model turbo. Now, the turbo actually debuted in 1962 with the 62 SPYDER, with the Chevrolet CORVAIR SPYDER. All right, and so what they wanted to do, they wanted to give the car a little bit more horsepower. So, of the creative thinking for the Chevrolet CORVAIR, they actually came up with a turbocharged car. And so with that right there being said, with the turbocharged car, the earlier model engine produced 150 horsepower, and the engine bay is going to be 164 cubic inch, just the same way as the later model, which is 65 through 66. That right there was 180 horsepower, or 164 cubic inch, just as well. And so what they wanted to do, they wanted to give the car much more power, much more looks, much more aerodynamic type styling. And so they actually came out with a convertible and a hardtop version of the Chevrolet CORVAIR SPYDER. Now, the best things about the Chevrolet CORVAIR SPYDERs versus the regular engine, regular 110 horsepower, regular 95, and so on and so on, is that you actually get really good power. But they also have some other versions that we're going to actually be talking about as well. Usually what happens is, with the Chevrolet CORVAIR SPYDER, a lot of folks wants to be able to use that power a little bit quicker, and so what they end up doing, they end up using Weber carb versus using the shield of the Chevrolet CORVAIR to get the power. And so they would end up taking off the air cleaner and putting a Weber over there. And so what the Weber does, the Weber gives the car a lot of more jump and power when you are shifting gears from 1 through 4. Now, the best thing about the Chevrolet CORVAIR SPYDER is it is only a manual car, so you can easily jump the car up if you do the right modifications to the engine. And so this right here was actually one of the top of the line cars for the Chevrolet CORVAIR, if you was looking for something that was going to give you that style but also the power. And so my best thing about the Chevrolet CORVAIR SPYDER is that it's not just the styling and the power and everything, it's also the price. The prices went up on these cars. I'm actually loving the price, though, and what the price is, because this car deserves a lot more love than what it is getting, y'all. All right, y'all. Well, I am going to be showing y'all in this video where to actually get your Chevrolet CORVAIR SPYDER parts. Now I'm going to be showing y'all where y'all can get y'all parts at. So I'm about to show y'all that right now, and let's get it. All right, y'all. So the first place I'm going to be showing y'all is this website called California CORVAIRS. Now, the guy is named Jeff. He is a very good guy if you're looking for parts for your Chevrolet CORVAIR SPYDER, and he will show you all the parts that you need for your engine if you was looking to find parts for your engine. All right, and so if you're looking for anything like that, check out California CORVAIRS. I'm also going to be leaving all these places down in the description for y'all, so y'all can go ahead and go check them out. All right, y'all. So the next place is going to end up being CORVAIR Ranch. history. So this right here is going to end up being the other part. And this right here is another place where you will be able to get parts for your Chevrolet Corvair Spider. Like this one right here. This right here is a Chevrolet Corvair Spider, which is right here on the front page. As what I was saying was that, yeah, so this right here is another place. As you can tell that he does all types of rebuilding engines. He also gives you like used parts. So if you like looking for like some good used parts, and also too, he's also a full mechanic shop, which is this place is up in Pennsylvania. The other place is up in Chinco, California. This one right here is up in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, right here. All right, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all one more place, which this right is gonna be CORVAIR 1. Yeah, so like right here, which is gonna end up being Ralphie's CORVAIR. Now, the thing is about Ralphie CORVAIR, y'all, this is a guide that can help y'all really find out, you know, about like a lot of parts. And with his website, you could definitely talk to him. Now, I would probably say go through Facebook and find him, which is Ralphie CORVAIRS, and ask him questions about, you know, about certain parts with the Spider. Now, also too, the best thing about looking up him is that he actually rebuilds cars as well. And so if you're looking for somebody to rebuild your car, as you can tell, this right here is the website, which is the CORVAIR 1, which is right there. And as y'all can tell, you know, he also rebuilds cars as well. And so he has like a lot of chrome pieces for the cars and everything. And so definitely, if you're looking for another place to find Spider parts, definitely check out CORVAIR 1, because they're going to end up being the place that's going to be showing y'all where to get all of y'all parts for y'all cars, whether it's a Spider, it could be whatever type of Corvair. But today we're going to be talking about the Spider car. So this is where you can go get parts at, most definitely. All right, y'all. Well, this right here is the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please let me know what you think about this video down in the comment section. And I'm out. Deuces.